Hello and welcome back to Fishing Detroit. This is Tony. I want to talk a little bit about some of the things that I like to do when I'm out fishing, and not just out fishing and catching fish or trying to catch fish, but one of the other things that I like to do also is to do a little bit of underwater footage if I can. And I just want to show you the setup that I use for doing my with my underwater camera that I use, and the setup that I use doing it. Um, I've got my GoPro Hero 7 Black. That's it right there. And I've got it mounted on an actual painter pole. So it extends out very long, so I can really get it in the water like I want to when I'm fishing. Because a lot of times when I'm fishing from the bank, I just want to get some of that footage and see what's going on underwater as far as the bluegill, perch, any bass, or anything like that, just to see if there's any fish in the water and if they're actually out there trying to bite. So I've got it mounted on this painter's pole, and this is a GoPro bike mount that I'm using. You can take a look at that and see that's a bike mount that I got clamped on there, and I also have a filter on there for underwater footage to make sure the quality is a little bit better and that it's nice and clear so you can really see what's going on. So that's my little setup that I use for doing underwater footage, and hopefully I'll be getting out this weekend or possibly tomorrow and trying to do a little bit of shooting with it and seeing if I can try to get some underwater footage. The bite has been really slow lately. A few places that we've been normally fishing at, it just hasn't been picking up like it normally does, but we're going to try to get out there tomorrow, weather permitting, and see if we can try to get something and see if we can get lucky. But I just want to show you my little setup that I use for getting my underwater footage. Now, the camera itself, it is waterproof, so everything is covered, everything real good. So I can just stick it in the water. I can just let it sit there. I can hang it up or tie it on a rail or something like that, and it stays in position. I can get the shot that I want. So just get all of the underwater footage and see how everything is looking. So hopefully I'll get a chance to do that tomorrow, and I should be able to show you some of that footage and everything. But just want to show you the little simple technique that I use for my underwater footage and how I put it all together and everything. So again, just to show you real quick, that is the GoPro that I'm using, and it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I've got the GoPro bike mount that I'm using that everything is mounted on, and it's on a regular painter's pole, like I said, that you can extend very long, and you can get it extends really long, very far out to reach. If I want to really get out there, I can really reach and get out there, and you can really see how far it can go and everything. So that's what I'm going to be using. I have another uh, unit that I use, another dolly style unit that I use, but this one right here I think is going to work a little bit better because it is a little bit longer, and it'll allow me to just get a little bit deeper down in the water and see what's going on. So looking forward to playing with it and seeing what I can come up with. So stay tuned. Hopefully I have some footage for you, and I'll be able to let you see the underwater footage. If you go to my channel, you can see some previous footage that I have fishing Detroit bank fishing on YouTube. You'll see some previous footage that I have of some of the fish having fun underwater and everything like that. So hopefully I can try to get some more with this one, and we'll see how it turns out. And we'll let you take a look at it and see what you think. Maybe this something like this will work for you if you want to get some underwater footage. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.